Hello friends, my name is Jamil Jetani and I am a digital marketing consultant. In this video, I am going to explain you about how you can set up Google search campaign, its benefit and setting up. Here are the benefits. Get leads, calls for your product and service from high intent users. Get sales for your e-commerce store, for your product category or brand, increase brand visibility in search engine, and retarget users using RLSA audience. Here the steps. Open the ads.google.com and you will see home screen of Google Ads, and just from the left side menus select campaigns and just select on this plus icon. After selecting plus icon, you will be able to see different kind of objectives for you want your campaign to be run. Let's say your brand awareness, app promotion, local store visits and promotion. But here just select create a campaign without a goals guidance, and you will be able to see different kind of campaigns you can create in Google Ads. Let's say search, performance max, display, shopping, video, app, smart and discovery. Select search at this time and then select the conversion action for your campaign to optimize your campaign, especially for these actions. Here purchases has been selected already, and then select the goals you want from the campaign. Let's say you want to drive more traffic, then select website visits. If you want to drive more phone calls, then select phone calls. If you want to drive app downloads for your app, then select app downloads. Then enter your campaign name and then bidding strategies. There are various type of bidding strategies available in Google Ads, and you can use 7 different types of ad strategies with Google search campaign. Here you can see conversions, means maximize conversions bid strategy is selected as shown in the screenshot. And if you checkbox, if you tick yes in a target, set a target cost per action, then it will be target CPA bidding strategy, target cost per acquisition. So you will be able to get the maximum number of conversions using this target CPA you have set already. And there are other bidding strategies also. Let's say maximize clicks and then manual click, and then target ROS, target impression share, and you have to choose this bidding strategy very carefully based on your requirement and goal. We will have a separate video on this bidding strategy only. And then select network, search network and display network. So generally we do not select any kind of network if you want to have maximum result from your search campaign. So just uncheck this search network and display network both. Search network is in search network your ad will be shown in various search sites. Let's say if you go to youtube.com, then you will be when you search the youtube.com, you will be able to see different kind of ads in the YouTube, and it's like search network. So there are so many other third party search network also that Google has already tied up with. And then display network. So display network is like there are thousands of websites show ads on their website from Google network. Whenever you go to some websites, let's say some news websites, you will be able to see various display ads over there. So your ad will be shown over there also. So we do not select these two options on any search campaign to get maximum and high intent result, high intent audience from search, Google search. And then select locations. So you will be able to enter the specific location you want your ads to be shown. And the things you need to keep in mind is that you have to select three options in target category with precise. Let's say in first options, presence or interest, people in regularly in or who have shown interest in your target locations. So first option is not preferable most of the time, because we do not want to show our ads to the people who are interested in our location, but we want to target people living in or people in or regularly in your targeted locations, right? So we generally select second option, presence, people in or regularly in your targeted locations. And then languages, so you can enter languages your searchers speaks, generally your customers speak. Audience segments, so here you can select various kind of audiences available in the Google, as well as you can create your custom audience to target user in search campaign. And there are two options, targeting and observation. So if you select targeting option, then your ads will be shown to the users you have selected in audience segments only. And if you select observations, then Google will try to optimize your campaign and show ads to the people outside your audience segments also. So you have to carefully select these two options based on your requirement and how do you want to retarget the users. And then dynamic search settings. So generally dynamic search ads use your website URLs to create ads and match people's searches. So here you can enter the list of URLs or specific URLs. Google will generate headlines automatically in dynamic search campaign, dynamic search ads. And you have to enter descriptions for your campaign only. Ad rotation, optimize, prefer best performing ads. Generally we select these options in all the campaigns. And then campaign start date and end date. Ad schedule, so you can schedule your campaign for specific day or time only. Keywords and ads, so here you have to add keywords, specific list of keywords you want to show your ads for. Let's say you want to show your ads for hair salon in hair salon nearby me, then you have to enter this keyword over here. And you can enter list here also based on your research. Here you can enter your website URLs or specific product or services, and Google will suggest the list of keywords based on that, and you can select the keywords based on monthly volume. And there are three type of keywords mainly: broad match, phrase match, and exact match. So we will have a separate video to how to select these keywords carefully, how to select these keywords type. And then ads, here you have to select final URL. So final URL is the URL when user will be landed after clicking your ads. Display path, this display path will be shown only in Google search campaign. Here, let's say if you enter something here, sari collection slash sari sale, then this slug will be shown here in Google ads. So you will have a more CTR on your search campaign. And then you can enter up to maximum 15 headlines, and 3 headlines are necessary, compulsory to be added, and there is a 30 character limit for each headline. And then description, so you have to add 2 description compulsory, and each description can have maximum 90 characters limit. Then you have to add images, and then site links, call out, and promotions. These 3 are extensions. So there are 10 to 11 extensions by Google Ads. You can use these extensions to get more click, more traffic to your website, more click to your campaign. So site links, call out, and structure snippet extensions, these 3 extensions are necessary, or like you should use these 3 extensions to, especially out of 10 to 11 extensions, to get more relevant and high quality traffic. Here you can see other extensions also: promotions, pricing, calls, structure snippet, lead forms, apps. We will have a separate video on these extensions only, and we will have a deep dive into each extension separately. And then tracking template or final URL suffix. You can add the tracking template from third party tools to track certain details from this campaign and track your traffic in third party tools. As well as you can add final URL suffix like campaign source, campaign medium, campaign name. So there are 5 UTM parameters that you can use in this final URL suffix, and it will be added after your URL. You can and you can track this specific campaign in Google Analytics also, like what kind of traffic this campaign is driving and which ads are driving more conversions and all these things in Google Analytics based on this suffix. And you can create custom parameters also. Here you can use different final URL for your mobile device also. So I hope guys you are able to understand what kind of settings available in Google search campaigns. And if you have any questions or query in your doubt in your mind, then kindly comment below in this video, and I will be more than happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.